Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can make utility bill payments online using SBI credit card. Go to sbicard.com and click on login. Enter your login credentials and sign into your SBI card account. Once you have logged in, the user interface will look like this. From the left side menu, you can see there is an option called as utility bill payment. Click on that and now you need to scroll down a little bit and you need to click on pay now. And you need to click on proceed. Now it will open a new tab, and in the new tab the bill desk page will be opened. Here you can see that I have added some utility bills. Every month these bills will be generated. I need to simply log into SBI card and I need to simply click on pay button and I need to enter the PIN and the expiry date. That's it. The bill will be paid. So to add a biller, you need to click on add biller. Here under pay biller I am going to select electricity. It will show you different electricity departments. Select the appropriate electricity department or whatever utility board you want to add. I am from Telangana, so I am going to select the Telangana Power Department, and over here I need to enter the unique service number and you need to give the nickname, and after that you need to simply click on add biller. Here you can see that you have the option to auto pay also. I don't want the auto pay option. I would like to pay manually. If you want auto pay, you can enable it. Simply click on confirm and you need to go back. The biller will be shown over here. So every month once the bill is generated, you can simply log in and make the payment. So that's it guys. In this way you can make utility bill payments using your SBI credit card. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.